it. So
I hear the beat, it's in my chest.
hi my YouTube family, my name is Somita and welcome to my channel. Those who have subscribed me, thank you so much for your support. When I see that my subscribers are increasing day by day, feels so good, and those who have not subscribed me, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, and I will be bringing more long videos from now onwards. I was more into shorts, and now I realize that I should do more long videos also so that I can explain better about makeup and skincare. So today I will be showing a makeup routine, or I will say a quick makeup that is so easy and good for beginners and even for those who already do makeup. But sometimes you feel like I should do something very light, and there is some you have to just go out for, say, shopping, or you, even if you are going for an event but you don't want to look too much glamorous, but you want to enhance your face, and you want to look fresh. So this makeup is for those. Let's start with the makeup routine. So first I will be, since it's winter and I have a dry skin, I want to first moisturize my skin so that it doesn't look dry after I do my makeup. So I'm going to first use a moisturizer. So you can use actually any primer or a good moisturizer depending on your skin type. So if you are a oily skin person, you just need a primer which will which can hide your pores. So a silicone based primer will be good for you. And if you are a dry skin person like me, you will need some moisture in your skin, so you need a moisturizing primer. So I'm not using a primer today, but I will be using this. This is from Colorbar, and this is Instant Glow Cream. I just purchased it few days back and I want to try this. So this is supposed to make your skin glow. So let me try this. I think I have not even opened it. So let me open it first. It comes with a seal like this. So I'm just opening that seal. Okay, I need to just press it. I don't know why it is not working. Let me just pump it a little bit.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so it is working right now. This is the product. I'm going to take a little bit more, this much, and okay, it is, I think, too much, but let's see. So I have a mirror here so that I can do my makeup. Okay, so already I think my skin is glowing after using this. This works as a strobe cream, by the way. I'm not using the full product because I think it is enough. I will take a eyebrow gel. This is eyebrow tinted gel from Elf Cosmetics. I'm going to use it on my eyebrows. As you see that my eyebrows are not done properly, and actually I'm not getting time to go to a parlor and do threading, so I've just kept it like this. So you can see the difference now. Eyebrows makes a lot of difference while doing a makeup. If you have very light eyebrows, this is a must in your makeup kit. But even if you have good eyebrows, for shaping your eyebrows, this you should invest in a good eyebrow gel or an eyebrow pencil. Since I'm showing it and I'm talking in the video, it is taking long to do this makeup, but it is very easy and it is very quick. Now for my under eyes, I will be using this Smashbox Becca corrector. This is in the shade medium and this looks like this. I'm going to use it on the corners of my eyes, here and here. This is a good corrector actually. So I have seen some good reviews about this and then I purchased it. So some content creator, they said that if you use this, you don't need a concealer. You can just use this and your under eyes will be it will not show up, but I don't feel so. I think this applies to people who don't have a lot of under eye problem, under eye dark circles. But for me, I think this works as a very good corrector, because it has some orangish kind of tone in it, and we use for under eyes, for under eye corrector, we use orange corrector, but I use this to get more natural finish, because in this makeup, I won't be using a foundation actually. So I will be using this to correct my under eyes. Works good as a corrector. So after using this, I will be using Hello Glow liquid filter from Elf Cosmetics. So this also works as something to make your skin glow. It doesn't work as a foundation or a concealer. It really helps to make your skin glow. I'm just going to take a brush, any brush. So this is how, after using the Hello Glow filter, see how this looks like. It looks like skin like, but it gives a very nice glow. Let me do it a little bit in the neck, so don't forget your neck area. I'm just making this video and that's why I'm not putting a lot of product in my neck, but you should not forget your neck when you are actually going out and doing this. So this is done. So after this, I'm just going to take a concealer, and this is from Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Multi-Use Concealer. This is in the shade, I think, what is the shade? 142. I think this is butterscotch or something they say, but it is not mentioned anywhere here. So it's shade 142, and I really like this product. So anyway, I'm using this only on certain areas, not everywhere, and I'm just using a very little product, just this here and here, and something on my forehead, something on my nose area, this area, and I also use it here because I have a dark neck. I have some darkness in the neck area, so I use there. I'm using the same brush that I used before. just dabbing it, like this. Same brush, I will be just doing like this all over so that it looks even everywhere. I think the skin is now prepped. I just have to do something on my eyes and lips. So I don't do a lot of things when I don't want to look too much of makeup on my face. So I just ignore everything. I just use a mascara. So I'm using this mascara today. No, let me use any other. So I use this mascara. So see how a mascara actually makes a lot of difference. Now I'm using a lip pencil. This is from Elle lip liner. I'm just taking it inside my lip line. So now I will just take my finger and blend this. So I used the lip balm before that, so my lips are moisturized, and I can actually it helps in blending the lip liner. So now I will be using this Peripera water, I think, what is the name, Peripera water bare tint. This is in the shade Mute Paradise. I'm going to use this. This is so comfortable on the lips, and this has when you apply it, it have this cooling thing. I think, I don't know, it is for the winters or this on the lips. It feels little cooling, cooling effect. So before completing the look, I will use a blush. I will take the blush on my hand. I'm using this Fay Beauty blush in the shade Wifey. I'm taking it on my hand. I'm just taking a very little amount, and I'm going to take a brush. Let me take another brush. I will take this brush and I will just take a little bit, and I will just use it here. Take some more and use it here, and then I will be just dabbing it over. See, so little product goes. It is so pigmented. I'm just using it a little bit here above. What I do, I just use the same brush and just do it like this. So that's it. So this is done. This is how this looks on me. This is a very light makeup that you can do, and even if you want a glowy glow on your face, the products that I have used, they are really good.
That's it for today, and I will see you in my next video. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Also, let me know in the comments what more I should add in my videos. Also, if you want me to make a video on certain topic, let me know in the comments.
Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, stay tuned, and see you in my next video. Bye.